Are you struggling to get your long-form video content seen by more people across social media platforms? I'm going to show you a super simple method to create engaging, punchy clips that actually drive traction using just one main tool. You'll need to have your main content source, like a YouTube channel, ready to go alongside the primary software. First, select any long video you wish to repurpose, whether it's a podcast, lecture, or interview segment. Simply copy the direct URL of that finished piece of content. Paste that link directly into the Smart Clipping application to begin the magic. The tool gets right to work, scanning the entire video file in just a few brief moments. It automatically searches through everything to pinpoint the absolute strongest hooks embedded within your audio. This isn't just random chopping. The AI intelligently identifies attention-grabbing statements and key narrative shifts. It compiles these exciting moments into numerous short, ready-to-use video segments for you. Crucially, it assigns an objective relevance and engagement score to every single generated clip. This scoring feature lets you immediately prioritize which snippets have the highest potential performance for posting. Before you finalize everything for export, you have important preferences you can adjust during the setup. If your source video has a lengthy, boring introduction, you can tell the tool exactly where to begin its analysis. This trimming option ensures you never waste processing power on the initial filler content. You should set your preferred clip lengths, often aiming for those sweet spots between 15 and 60 seconds. Most platform algorithms tend to favor those shorter, more digestible video formats for maximum reach. You can instruct the AI to specifically prioritize moments where the speaker's voice noticeably rises in volume or emphasis. These auditory cues are powerful signals that stop viewers mid-scroll and make them pay attention. Once generated, the tool presents each short clip as a polished segment ready for immediate review. The captions are automatically added to every clip, but rest assured, they remain fully editable. If you feel a caption isn't punchy enough, simply double-click and rewrite the text to your liking. You can establish your specific brand identity by setting preferred fonts and color schemes in the dedicated brand panel. This ensures every single clip maintains a consistent, recognizable look across your entire feed. Customize the caption style with options like drop shadows, outlines, or single-line formats for maximum clarity. The overall design goal is always to ensure perfect readability, especially when viewers watch vertically on a phone. For more creative control, you maintain the ability to swap the AI-selected segments around or stitch together microclips. If fine-tuning is required, there is a simple timeline editor available to nudge those precise cuts and transitions. However, for the vast majority of creators, the default AI-generated outputs are already incredibly well optimized. The algorithm does a fantastic job of stitching the most compelling parts together with a natural pacing flow. Remember that engagement estimate flag, view it as a helpful indicator of higher potential reach, not an absolute guarantee. Use that flag smartly to triage and decide which clips you should push live at the very beginning of your posting schedule. This tool truly excels when working with content centered around a clear speaker, such as interviews or educational talks. The core requirement is that the audio and the presenter's voice must remain the central focus of the original recording. It becomes less reliable when dealing with visually dominant content, like fast-paced music videos or pure gameplay footage. Screen recordings where the presenter's voice overlays tight on-screen action can sometimes confuse the clip detection logic. For those highly visual formats, you might still find more success manually editing or using a dedicated niche tool. Once your edits are polished, the real-time savings kick in with the built-in distribution planning features. The application offers a content calendar and automated scheduling right inside the same ecosystem. You simply set your desired posting frequency, such as daily or 3 times per week. The system then auto-schedules the finalized clips across all the social channels you have connected. You can push content directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and several other major platforms. For each network, you have the chance to tweak platform-specific details like tailored titles and the right hashtags. You can also efficiently set crucial YouTube metadata, like whether the content is marked as being made for kids. If staring at that blinking cursor for captions is your nemesis, the integrated AI caption generator is incredibly clutch. Just input your transcript, choose a tone like educational or bold, and let it propose caption variations for you. This feature saves an enormous amount of time compared to manually drafting dozens of unique posts from scratch. When comparing tools, Opus Clip is decent at finding highlights, but can sometimes segment things too rigidly. Scheduling tools like Metrical are fine for simple cross-posting, but generally require you to edit your clips separately. That extra step of uploading finished files interrupts the smooth, efficient creation process. The key advantage of this system is that the edit-to-schedule pipeline is significantly tighter from start to finish. For a practical workflow, I suggest batch running several of your long videos through the system simultaneously. Then, quickly curate the absolute best 7 to 10 clips out of the 20 generated options per video. Export those chosen ones or let the system automatically place them onto your content calendar for publishing. To keep your audience engaged daily, try mixing the selected clips from various long-form sources throughout the week. If you prefer manual posting, downloading high-quality MP4s with optional SRT subtitle files is very straightforward. For truly zero friction, utilize the scheduling feature that allows the tool to publish the content directly for you. I personally schedule a few clips privately first just to observe how each platform compresses the final video quality. A common pitfall is that different platforms compress videos aggressively, so a quick preview is always wise. Also, watch out for visual cues that rely on the original aspect ratio, as they can look off after the vertical crop. Fortunately, the tool's built-in preview lets you test the vertical, square, and horizontal crops before posting. To recap the entire streamlined workflow, Step 1 is pasting your long video URL into the application. Step 2 involves letting it auto-generate clips and closely reviewing those crucial engagement scores. Step 3 is to quickly tweak the captions, branding styles, and preferred clip lengths as needed. Step 4 is choosing either the auto-schedule option or manually placing the clips on your content calendar. Finally, Step 5 is to preview on each platform before hitting the final publish or schedule button. While you can supplement with deep analytics tools, for most creators, this single platform handles the entire necessary job perfectly. If you commit to this process consistently, even with daily posting, you will absolutely start building momentum. Repurposing your established long-form ideas into bite-sized content is easily the highest return on investment move you can make right now. This tool successfully removes the majority of the tedious, repetitive grunt work from your content strategy. If you are curious to see this process in action, follow the link provided in the description below to give it a thorough try. Run a recent podcast episode or a long YouTube talk through the system and schedule out your next week of posts. Should you have any questions about caption tone or ideal scheduling cadence, drop a comment below and I will personally guide you. Keep repurposing that valuable content, meet your audience where they are scrolling, and I will see you in the next video.